Hey everybody, it's Becca J. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be trying the Tattoo Junkee Angel Dust Mini Lip Kit. I'm really excited. Like, I want to get this out of the package because it just looks so sparkly. Yeah. Slide it out. Look at this. Ooh. Like, I am so excited about this right now. Forget the chit chat. Let's just get into it. No. I'm not that bad. You guys, look how this is packaged. Like, it's got all these things. You can't just take it out. You have to open both sides, bend it out, like, flip these up. Look, I'm not lying. I'm having an issue. I had to break the package. And I'm a package freak. I love packaging. Look how cute. This one's called Lollipop. And a nice wand. Oh my gosh. Do you see that? Okay, we're going to put it on. It smells like, I want to say cotton candy. Like fresh cotton candy. I don't know. It smells like candy. That's good. Do you see? Ooh, ooh. That is a beautiful, beautiful winter iridescent look. You know, from certain angles you can't see it, and then it just, bam. It's beautiful. I love it. It does not like to come off. The color itself comes off, but the glitter stays on, which is why I like to do these light to dark. This one's called Electric. Oh, also smells like cotton candy. This one has the beautiful blue purple duo shimmer. Oh, God, and it smells so good. This would be a beautiful topper on top of, like, even, I could see like a goldy color. Damn. Very sticky. Very, very sticky. Yeah, you're gonna need like a scrub in order to get all this glitter off that's left over. This one is called Innocence. Candy. This one's beautiful too. As you can see here, it actually has a bit of a color. It looks like a peachy, pinky, gold trichrome. I don't know. It's beautiful. I like that this one actually has more color in it and it's not just a sheer. Very sticky. My lips are like a perma-disco ball now. The glitter part just does not come off. This one's called Milkshake. I know. Brings them to the yard. Oh my gosh. This one's very sassy. Very pink. Very beautiful. Makes me feel good. I don't know what it is, but it's fun. And then it smells good like candy. these are a lot of fun. I just wish they dried down a little bit quicker and when they weren't so, it's not even tacky. I mean, it's like straight up sticks. That does say on the back of the package though, it does say do not touch lips together until lip paint is dry. Okay? Or that happens. I have glitter all over me. But it's not all over. It doesn't fall out. It just sticks to the lips. Even after wiping it off. This one is called Spellbound. Oh my God. You guys look. It's like a party. A troll party. Yes. Yes. Okay, I'm going to say this one is my least favorite. The blue color in it. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I'm telling you guys, it smells like fresh cotton candy. My face smells like the fair. But the blue in this is a little more pigmented than the other ones. It is uneven. The blue itself, now the glitter part is amazing. It's there. But the color of the actual blue tints of the gloss, it's streaky, it's patchy, it's not even, and it doesn't want to be either. Like the more I put on, the more it got worse. So this one is my least favorite. I wouldn't buy it on its own. Let's go ahead and take a look at it close up. You can actually see on the hand too how uneven it is. And that's how it is on the lips. It's had plenty of time to dry or cure. And they're very, very tacky. You know, you can't rub your lips together. Not very much transfer. Comes off decent. Lots of sparkle still left over. So I would say these are a lot of fun. I don't know about practical wise, because it is very sticky, very tacky, not smooth going on or afterwards. I love all my glitter shine though. For the most part, the colors are beautiful. That blue though, it was really obvious. You know, like the pink had the same issue. It's translucent in some areas, real opaque in others. But for some reason, this blue-gray, it was real obvious once it was on. It's not fudgeable. It doesn't like to build. The glitter part builds, the iridescent stuff. But the blue itself didn't build, and it remained streaky and all kinds of terrible things in there. That was the one that I didn't like, was the blue. Everything else is gorgeous. It's fun. I mean, it's on there. Look at that blue still smeared. You know, it doesn't rub off easily on its own. Comes off really nicely with a baby wipe, but there is, you see what I mean? There's a lot of shimmer left. So just be careful. I love these. I tried something Tattoo Junkee before in the past with the, I think it was like the velvet chrome or something. It was such a disappointment. So I went into this kind of 50-50. I was like really excited, but then I had this fear behind it, like, oh, please don't let me down. And you know what? It did not. It did not. That blue, though, that was a letdown. That was a disappointment. But it's not going to stop me. It just means I might, instead of swiping, I might dab it. It might have to be a dabber. It's still workable. It's just not the best performing in the whole box. You guys. It's on there. I'm going to go sleep tonight like this. Yeah. No, this was a lot of fun. I could totally wear it out. You know, go out to eat with the hubby with all sparkle lips, eat some barbecue chicken, and just glitter drip down. No, no, these are a lot of fun. Beautiful, beautiful colors. I recommend it. I don't know what it is. It's a mixture of the funness of it and the smell of it. It just makes you feel good about yourself and fun and young again. Yes. Okay, I will put the link down below to where I got one. If you want to get one, or wherever you want to get one, you know. That's a lot of fun. It'd be a great little gift for somebody's like 21st birthday before you go out. Yes. Okay, on that note, have a super sparkly day. Bye.
Good job, Mom.
Don't forget, click, like, subscribe.